In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Meta account and get started on this exciting digital platform. Whether you're diving into the metaverse for the first time or looking to expand your online presence with Meta's tools, this guide will walk you through the essentials of setting up your account smoothly and efficiently. To begin, if you don't already have a Meta account, you'll need to create one, and there are several ways to do this. You can choose to sign up using your existing Facebook or Instagram account, which is a great option if you're already embedded in the Meta ecosystem. If that's not your preference, you can opt to use your email address or even your phone number. Each of these methods will feature straightforward on-screen instructions to guide you through the process. It's designed to be user-friendly, so just follow the prompts as they're displayed. Once you've successfully created your account and logged in with your Meta credentials, the platform will prompt you to set up a Meta AI username. This step is required as it will be the primary way for others to identify and interact with you within the Meta environment. Take a moment to think about your username. It's worth choosing something memorable that still reflects your personality or interest, as this will help others recognize and engage with you easily. After settling on a username, you'll have the opportunity to add your first and last name. While this step is optional, it can enhance your interactions by making your presence feel more personal and approachable. However, if privacy is a concern, feel free to skip this step. Meta allows flexibility in how much personal information you wish to display, thereby letting you focus more on your online identity as you see fit. It's important to mention that while creating your account and choosing a username is fairly straightforward, ensuring your selections align with your intended use and privacy preferences can greatly optimize your experience. Consider exploring privacy settings and understanding how Meta uses your information to tailor your online journey. There you have it. You've successfully set up a Meta account, equipped with a custom username and potentially your real name if you've opted to include it. You're now ready to explore the myriad features and communities within the Meta platform. Whether you're there to connect, create, or simply have fun, your Meta account is your gateway to a vast digital landscape filled with endless possibilities. So dive in and start exploring the wonderful world of Meta. Feel free to leave comments or questions if you get stuck along the way, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thank you for watching, and happy navigating out there.